AIMSMART, your review authority.
Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like, subscribe button, at notification bell para otomatiko kang maa-update sa mga latest videos na tiyak na makakatulong sa iyo.
Judicious Backbone, answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Ethics and Values. 1. Ethics and Values. 2. Ethics. 3. Way of acting. 4. General. 5. Special. 6. Value. 7. Character. 8. Ethical awareness. 9. Ethical competency. 10. Knowingly transgress the law, rules, and regulations.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
11. Strive to downgrade the standing of the profession in the public mind. 12. That they shall regard their profession as a public trash, and in the discharge of their duties, bear constantly in mind their obligation to serve the public inefficiently and ineffectively. 13. He must never lose sight of the important fact that he works to convict the innocent. 14. Permit jealousies or personal differences to influence their professional duties and obligations. 15. To keep his private life solid. 16. Professional conduct. 17. Untruthfulness. 18. Commitment to democracy. 19. Commitment to public interest. 20. Non-partisanship.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
21. Physical fitness and health. 22. Secrecy discipline. 23. Secrecy discipline. 24. Non-solicitation of patronage. 25. Proper care and use of public property. 26. Respect for human rights. 27. Right. 28. Brutality. 29. Devotion to duty. 30. Conservation of natural resources.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
31. Discipline. 32. Police ethics. 33. All of the above. 34. Integrity. 35. Laurel. 36. Foster police corruption. 37. Graft and corruption. 38. Planting trees with MILF members. 39. Grass eaters. 40. Rogue.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
41. Straight shooters. 42. Humility. 43. Orderliness. 44. Perseverance. 45. Customs. 46. Happy hours. 47. Courtesy. 48. Courtesy call. 49. Salute. 50. Sir.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
51. Funeral call. 52. Chief. 53. Ceremony. 54. Birthday. 55. Marriage. 56. Half-mast. 57. General Manager. 58. Turnover ceremony. 59. Decorum. 60. Public display of affection.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
61. Tradition. 62. Valor. 63. Lapu-lapu. 64. Camaraderie. 65. Patriotism. 66. Gentlemanliness. 67. Word of honor. 68. Concubine. 69. I will live an indecent life to serve as an example to others. 70. Inefficient delivery of police services to the people.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
71. Both A and B. 72. Graft and corruption. 73. People's resentment must be encouraged and even instigated. 74. To promote romantic relationship between the police and media reporter. 75. Primarily suppress, investigate, and prosecute high-profile crimes. 76. Efficient delivery of law enforcement service. 77. Government. 78. Public officials. 79. Gift. 80. All of the above must be present to become exception.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
81. Receiving any gift. 82. Loan. 83. Substantial stockholder. 84. Paramour. 85. Conflict of interest. 86. Divestment. 87. Dong. 88. Malfeasance. 89. Misfeasance. 90. Non-feasance.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
Act according to one's judgment. 92. Approach. 93. Approach avoidance. 94. Avoidance, avoidance. 95. Multiple. 96. Son. 97. 3 stars. 98. Bravery. 99. Service. 100. Honor.
Judicious Backbone. Answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Nabitin ka ba sa ating talakayan? Panoorin mo ang iba pang videos ng ating Justice Body. Dahil ang sabi sa Kawikaan 13:20, ang nakikisama sa may unawa ay magiging matalino, ngunit ang kasama ng mangmang ay masusuong sa gulo.